Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the topic human interactions in the subtropical and tropical regions. Last class we have discussed about this topic, life in the tropical region and subtropical region. Clear, children? We have been discussing about tropical and subtropical regions, Amazon basin. I have told the countries located around the Amazon basin and its importance. So now we will continue with this topic in this class. Children, are you following? Yes.
Mouth of the river is the place where the river flows into sea, ocean, lake, or any other river.
You see, this is how river flows. Mouth of the river is the place where the river flows into sea, ocean, lake, or any other region. Yes. So that means entire water come here. From here, the water will be flows into the sea, ocean, lake, or any other river. Because the area is so vast. Water can flow in any direction, but always the water flows from higher level to lower level according to the surface.
The Amazon region was discovered by Spanish explorers.
You know, this Amazon region was discovered by Spanish, Spain, Madrid, European country, Norway, Sweden, Spain. So Spain, capital is Madrid, and Spanish explorers, Amazons.
They were attacked by strange looking people who wore headgears and grass skirts. These were the natives of the Amazon basin.
Actually, these are the people are natives of the Amazon basin. See the people how they are. See, they are the Amazonis. These were the natives of the Amazon basin. They are attacked by the strange looking people who are headgears and dresses.
The natives reminded them of women warriors of ancient Rome who too were ferocious and were called Amazons.
The natives remembered them of the women warriors of ancient Rome, who were ferocious and were called Amazons.
The climate of the Amazon basin is heavily influenced by its tropical location. It has an equatorial type of climate.
If you see regarding the climate conditions of Amazon basin, what type of climate conditions can we find around the Amazon basin? It is an equatorial type of climate. Equatorial climate we can follow. That means this climate from 0 degrees to 10 degrees, both sides of the equator. This region completely, the climate is very hot and too humid. What type of climate can you find around the equatorial region? It is too hot and humid. Hot and humid. This is the reason. You see here, from 0 degrees, 10 degrees south, both this entire region from here, all this entire region, tropical region, the climate is very hot and humid.
The annual rainfall from this basin is approximately 150 to 250 centimeters.
This is the annual rainfall in the Amazon basin, that is especially in the equatorial region, from 150 centimeters to 250 centimeters per annum. So 150 centimeters to 250 centimeters.
The variation in the temperature is not too much. Day temperatures reach 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, while the night temperatures reach 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Sun shines for the same duration of time every day.
If we see the variation in temperatures in a day temperature normally is 20 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade, whereas in the night 20 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees centigrade. So generally nights are cool because of the forest, okay, and a good amount of rainfall. But day temperature is here 30 centimeters to 35 centimeters, whereas the night temperature is 20 to 25 degrees centigrade.
The Amazon basin experiences basically two seasons, rainy and not so rainy season.
Especially if you see around the Amazon basin, we experience basically two seasons. One is rainy and hot, so rainy. You see here.
Temperature is moderated by the cloud cover and high humidity.
Temperature moderate by cloud cover and high humidity. A lot of high humidity. Temperature is moderate because of completely it is cloudy. So normally when it is cloudy, normally temperature is moderate, not more or less.
This type of climate is known as the Selva climate.
So therefore, this type of climate called as a Selva climate. Selva climate means the place where we find the moderate climate. Cloudy environment in the place which is covered, we call it as a Selva climate. That is in earlier basin.
Let us now learn about the rainforests of the Amazon basin. Amazon basin has the largest rainforest on the earth. It plays an important role in regulating the global weather. The basin produces a significant amount of oxygen for the world.
See, Amazon basin, it is completely produces a significant amount of world's oxygen because of the thick forest. It is the biggest rainforest in the world. Amazon basin, find rainforest. Rainforest can be identified in the Amazon basin. The significance of this Amazon basin is produces a significant amount of world's oxygen.
Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest. Amazon rainforest gets its name from the Amazon River that is about 4,080 miles long. Amazon is the largest river system in the world and is made up of over 1,100 tributaries, 17 of which are longer than 1,000 miles. Location: Amazon rainforest covers about 40% of the South American continent and includes parts of 9 South American countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guinea, and Suriname, as well as French Guiana. Climate: it is having hot and humid type of climate. Amazon area receives about 9 feet of rain every year and experiences temperature about 101 degree Fahrenheit. There is no dry season and the Amazon receives more rain than anywhere in Brazil. Wildlife: Amazon rainforest contains the largest collection of living plant and animal species in the world. The diversity of plant species in the Amazon rainforest is the highest on the planet. It is estimated that a single hectare of Amazon rainforest contains about 900 tons of living plants. including more than 750 types of trees and 1,500 other plants. The rainforest library is stratified into 4 layers of plant and animal life. Most of the activity takes place in the canopy layer, 20 meter to 40 meter above ground, where plants compete for sunshine and the majority of birds and monkeys live. Of the estimated 15,000 species of Amazon creatures, thousands of birds and fish and hundreds of mammals have not been classified. The Amazon has more than 1,800 species of butterfly and the greatest variety of freshwater fish in the world, and some very noisy creatures such as howler monkey that can be heard up to 2 miles away. Some of the animals found in the canopy are the harpy eagle, which preys on monkeys, sloth, reptiles, and other birds. Sloth is very still as they barely move. Macaws have strong beaks that can crush nuts and strong toes to hold things. Some of the animals that make their home on river otters, freshwater river dolphins, turtles, piranha, manatees, and electric eels. Threats. Amazon is systematically being turned down and devalued for short-term gains. Unsustainable expansion of agriculture and cattle ranching, construction of roads and dams, oil exploration and extractive activities including illegal logging and climate change are the biggest drivers of deforestation and river degradation.
Children, just now we have heard about very important information regarding the Amazon forest. How important, how these forests has been spread over entire equatorial region.
Chief characteristics of the Amazon rainforests are: sunlight is not able to reach the floor because of the thick roof.
Especially if we see these forests, the Amazon forest, the sunlight which we receive from the sun god, these rays do not fall inside this basin, inside this forest. So therefore, here the trees are very thickly covered, very densely covered, the entire region. You see, look at the picture here, how the forest has been how much densely covered. Here, the sunlight not able to reach the floor because of the thick roof.
Forest floor is clear of vegetation because of darkness.
The forest floor is clear of vegetation because of the darkness.
The canopy not only restricts sunlight, but also rain and wind. There are relatively smaller number of ground plants because of the lack of sunlight on the floor. Countless saplings can be found. Orchids and bromeliads grow as plant parasites.
We cannot count the saplings because of the thickness, because of the dark. We cannot enter in. There are some of the orchards and bromeliads. These are the different colors which can be found.
Wildlife of the Amazon rainforests. The Amazon rainforests have more species of animals than any other terrestrial ecosystem.
Yes, children, just now we heard about the importance of Amazon basin and how these forests are spread over, about sunlight, about temperature, rainfall and animal life and various plants. With this, we'll stop in this class. Next class, we'll continue the same topic. Children, thank you.